What's up guys? First of all, I'm going to refresh my Bybit account to see my balance. As you can see, I received about 75 worth of USDT tokens, which I got for absolutely free, by the way. Just go to the deposit section and select USDT. Then make sure to click on the USDT TRC20 token option. It will bring you to this page where then you want to copy your wallet address, as we will be needing it later on in the video. Now, open any browser on your device and go to gemtosa.com. It will bring you to this page, and all you simply need to do is scroll down until you find the USDT token event, then click on it. It will bring you to this page, which is an exclusive event that has been giving USDT users up to 75 free USDT tokens to receive the free tokens. Just paste in this box the wallet address you copied earlier, then click on the Receive USDT button below. It will then begin a search for your wallet address in order to bind the USDT successfully. Once the binding process is complete, make sure to click on the Claim Now button to prove you are a human and not a bot, and you will receive the tokens in your account instantly.